Welcome students on the online class for learning the subject physics for the 11th science, 12th science and above the 12th science standard students. Today we have to learn about logarithmic and mathematical table. So today we have seen reciprocals of four figure numbers. Four figure numbers. So before seeing the reciprocals of four figure numbers, the two thing is important. Number one, when denominator, this is denominator of a number is less than 1. Denominator is less than 1. Then the reciprocal of a number is more, is greater than 1 or greater than 1. Another second thing, if denominator is greater than 1, then the reciprocal of four figure is less than 1. Two thing is important. Suppose we have seen example. If denominator is less than 1, suppose 1 is there upon 0.2. What happen? By shifting decimal, 1 upon 2 into 10 raised to minus 1, because decimal point is shifted towards negative direction of x-axis. So it is 10 upon 2, because 10 raised to minus 1 is shifted numerator. When this 2 is divided by 2, 10 is divided by 2, then answer will be 5, which is greater than 1. Suppose 1 upon 0.1 is there. What happen? 1 upon 0.1, it will be 1 upon 1 into 10 raised to minus 1. Then it is 10 upon 1. So 10 is greater than 1. Okay. So the first thing, that is denominator is less than 1. Denominator is less than 1. Then your answer will be more than 1. Another thing, suppose 1 upon 0.4 is there. What happen? 1 upon 4 into 10 raised to minus 1. So 10 upon 4. What happen? 4 ones are 4, 4 to the 8, decimal point. 2 is remaining, so it becomes 20, 4 5 the 20. So answer will be 2.5, which is greater than 1. But another thing, when denominator is greater than 1, suppose here we see that 1 upon 4, denominator is greater than 1. So what happen? Its reciprocal will be 0.25, which is less than 1. Another, if 1 upon 2 is there, its value will be 0.5, because 2 is greater than 1, 4 is greater than 1. If 1 upon 5 is there, then its answer will be 0.2. So the two things are very important. That is, when denominator is less than 1, then reciprocal of four figure will be more than or greater than 1. Another thing is when denominator is greater than 1, then its reciprocal it will be less than 1. The two things when we remember, then we see how the reciprocal of four figures can be seen. See here, in this reciprocal of four figures. So, vertical column it shows 1.0, 1.1, 1.2 up to 5.4. Here in next page 5.5, 5.6, 5.7 up to 9.9 means we can determine the reciprocal of 9.9. If here horizontal rows are there, it shows 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and mean difference is there, but in mean difference subtraction is given. Subtraction is given means the value in mean difference will be subtracted. Okay, suppose we want to see the reciprocal of, suppose 1 upon 2.142. If we can determine this ratio that will be greater than 1. So means 2.142 is greater than 1. So how to see 1 upon 2.142? See here in vertical column 2.1 is there, here 2.1 is there, third number will be 4. So here 2.1 that is 0 point, so it will be 0.4673. So we can note 0.4673 and mean difference will be 2, that is 5. So here 73 minus 5, 73 minus 4, so it is 0.4669. So its answer will be 0.4669 means we can directly find out the reciprocal by using logarithmic and mathematical table. Another thing, again we want to see 3.142, this reciprocal. So this reciprocal how can be seen? 3.1 it shows 0.3226, but third is 4. So here we can see 4, that is 3185, 0.3185. So here mean difference will be 2. So in this 85, so 2 will be 2 is subtracted, so it is 0.3183. So its value will be 0.3183. But if the number is greater than 9.9, we can see the facility for 9.9. But if number is greater than 9.9, suppose we want to see, that is 31.42. This example, but decimal point is shifted here. So here answer will be 1 upon 3.142. Means decimal is shifted towards negative direction. So it will be multiplied by 10 raised to 1. 10 raised to 1 is shifted in numerator, that is 10 raised to minus 1 upon 3.142. We can see 3.142 having reciprocal 0.3183 into 10 to the power minus 1. When this decimal is shifted, then its value will be 0.03183 into 10 to the power 1 into 10 to the power minus 1. So minus 1 and plus 1, it is cancelled. Its power will be 0. So here answer will be 0.03183. Means we can see the rule or the thing, that is when the denominator number is greater than 1, then its reciprocal is very less number. Its reciprocal is less number. That thing will be seen. But here again we can find out a broad value, that is 1 upon 4, 5, 6.2. When this reciprocal of this number is seen, what happen? We cannot see 456. We can see the facility only 9.9. So here decimal is shifted. So we can written as 1 upon 4.562. Decimal is shifted towards negative direction by 2 digits. So it is 10 raised to 2. So we can written as 10 raised to minus 2 upon 4.562. So here when we see the reciprocal of 4.5, so 4.5 it will be here 0.222, but here third number is 6. So if we see 6, that is 0.2193, and 2 will be mean difference. In this mean difference, the 2 shows value 1. This 1 is subtracted from 93. So here value, your answer will be 0.2192 into 10 to the power minus 2. Again, if shifted the decimal point by 2, so your answer it will be 0.0029192 into 10 raised to 2 into 10 raised to minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. So your answer will be 0.002192. And this facility will be very useful. Suppose the example is given like square root. If a example is given as square root of 5.928. So how can be seen the reciprocal? First of all, we can find out square root. So square root of 4 figure from 1 to 10. Okay, it is 1 upon 5.9. So 5.9 in 2, it is 2.433. In 8, it is 2. That is 2.435. And if we see the reciprocal, so for reciprocal of 4 figures, that is 2.4. 2.4 in 3, that is 0.4115, and in 5 the number will be 8. 8 will be subtracted, that is 0.4107, because from 15 when 8 is subtracted, so 07 is remaining. So your answer will be 0.4107. So we can find out anything. Suppose if reciprocal of cos 43 degree 34 minute is given. So what happen? We see the natural cosine. In this natural cosine, we see 43 degree. So 43 degree in 34 minutes. So first of all, we can see in 30 minutes, that will be 0.7254 here, and 2 minutes will be there. 2 minutes having value 4. 4 when subtracting, because in cosine subtract is there. So this mean difference values 4 is subtracting, then its value is 0.7250, because in 54 4 is subtracted. Here when we can see the reciprocal. We cannot see the reciprocal because number is less than 1. So by shifting the decimal point, if decimal point is shifted here, so what happen? 1 upon 7.250 into 10 to the power minus 1. When 10 to the power minus 1 is shifted in numerator, that is 10 upon 7.250. So when we see reciprocal 7.2 in 5, 7.2 in 5, that is 0.1379. 0 is not in present in mean difference. So your answer will be 0.1379 into 10. So when decimal point is shifted, answer will be 1.379 into 10 to the power minus 1 into 10 to the power plus 1. So answer will be 1.379. So we can directly find out reciprocal of cos angle. So anything we can use the reciprocal of 4 figure, anything can be solved. So a assignment is given. This assignment consists of 10 questions. If we can solve the 10 questions using logarithmic table and mathematical table, you will be easily solve the questions.